Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will take a closer look at the best 3D printer for action figures. This 3D printer is especially for users who want to create custom action figures with high precision and detail. We all know that a quality printer can make or break an artist's career, which is why it's essential to choose the right one. To help you, we have compiled a list of the top 3D printers best suited to action figure production. The output from these printers is incredibly impressive, and they are perfect for quickly creating intricate details. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is Snapmaker Modular 3-in-1 3D Printer. If you're a fan of action figures, you know how hard it can be to find the perfect one that captures your favorite character's essence. That's where the Snapmaker 2.0 Modular 3-in-1 3D Printer A350T/A250T comes in. This printer is the perfect tool for quickly creating your customized action figures. Its modular design sets Snapmaker 2.0 apart from other 3D printers. You can personalize it with various modules and add-ons, such as the rotary module and air purifier, to create an even greater level of applications. And with its large work area of up to 320 by 350 by 330 millimeters, you can make large prototypes or multiple smaller objects in one go. But that's not all. Snapmaker 2.0 is also incredibly user-friendly. It comes with its custom 3-in-1 software, Snapmaker Luban, which makes designing and printing your action figures a breeze. The Wi-Fi connectivity and 5-inch touchscreen make controlling and monitoring your printing progress easy. Plus, with features like power loss recovery and ease of assembly, you can focus on creating without worrying about technical difficulties. If you want to buy the 3D printer, check the link in the description box to buy it.